Yeah, that's my gargoyle.
It's always going to be fun when you ask for a special request. Hello?
Hello?
Hi, is this window cleaners?
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, I've got a special request. Would you be able to clean my windows?
Where is it and what is it?
It's the basement, the bottom floor.
A basement?
Yeah, could you clean the windows on the basement?
Of what? How many windows are there and what is it? Office, is it? A house, is it?
No, it's underground. It's under the ground floor.
Right. Whereabouts is it?
What's the basement?
Yeah, whereabouts in Manchester, is it? Or Bolton, or whereabouts is it?
It's Bolton.
Bolton?
Yeah.
How many windows are there?
6.
6?
Yeah.
And what's the address?
See you in a bit.
It's bad ringing these